In today's video, I'll show you how to boot a VirtualBox virtual machine directly from a bootable USB drive. And the best part is that we will do it without restarting your computer or changing your BIOS boot order. To get started, connect your bootable USB drive to your computer. In this tutorial, I'll be using a bootable Kali Linux USB, but you can follow the exact same steps with any bootable USB, whether it's Windows, Ubuntu, or any other operating system. Next, open VirtualBox and create a new virtual machine. Give it a name, choose the operating system, assign the amount of RAM you want. Create a virtual hard disk if needed, and complete the setup. Once your virtual machine has been created, select it and click Settings. Inside the Settings window, go through the basic configuration according to your needs. Then open the USB section, enable the USB controller, and select USB 3.0 controller. After that, click the USB plus icon on the right side and select your bootable USB drive from the list. This attaches the USB drive directly to the virtual machine. Now, start the virtual machine. In many cases, it will boot directly from the USB drive. However, if you receive an error such as "No bootable medium found" or the virtual machine doesn't boot from the USB drive, don't worry, it's easy to fix. First, completely power off the virtual machine. Then select it, click Settings, and open the System section. Under the Motherboard tab, make sure Enable EFI is checked. Once you've made these changes, click OK and start the virtual machine again. This time, it should successfully boot from your bootable USB drive. One more thing you might notice is that your USB drive disappears from Windows after the virtual machine starts. That's completely normal. VirtualBox temporarily disconnects the USB device from your host computer and attaches it directly to the virtual machine. And that's it. We have successfully booted VirtualBox from our Kali Linux bootable USB drive. If this video helped you, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.